Hi guys, welcome back to Samco Grey Adventures for another adventure. This time is gonna be fishing and some off-road driving. Stay tuned and enjoy. So we just set up the camps. That's my camp, Camp David. That's my swag, Dachi swag, King Single. And I've got the Zenpai Monster mat, King Single as well. That's the one there. It seems to be very comfy. My cousin's got the double and he reckons it's the best investment that he's done. So I'm gonna test it out tonight. I'll let you know tomorrow, guys, tomorrow morning how was the sleep. This is Yaruga here next to me. He's set up and he's got a stretcher that he's gonna put his swag on top of it. I should have get one of those. If it rains, there's gonna be a lot of water around here, so the water doesn't get in or whatever. Yeah, it's much better. So this is the setup. Now we're gonna set everything up for fishing. We're waiting for another hour or two because it's very hot at the moment. And Yaruga took a swing on a kayak. You can see him over there. He's cruising up and down the river, having fun. Stay tuned, guys, there will be more. So I checked this one out, no bites. I'm just gonna move further up towards the river. So I wanna find where the river gets into this lake. The only problem is I have to walk through all this bushland. There's a lot of snakes right now, very active at this point of time. Have to be very careful. Ooh. Nah. Go back. Doesn't look promising. If I can get access to the river, this will be perfect spot for fishing trout. Alright, give it a go. Okay, that was a red belly. Just went in there. Have to be careful. A lot of snakes around here. Baking on the sun. Fortunately. It's impossible to access to a river on this side. And it's not murky as is murky down below. It means it's cleaning up. I'm gonna walk up this riverbed, but I have to watch out for the snakes. I've just went all the way up that riverbed, the far I could go. So the river is not accessible from this side. It's too much bush next to it, and as you have had a chance to see, there's a lot of snakes around. Well, they're coming out and have a bit of a sunshine on the riverbed rocks. So I'm gonna go back to one of those spots that I've been already and stay there a little bit longer and see if I'm gonna catch any fish. If not, I'm gonna go back to camp, relax, and tonight I'm gonna go down the river on a lake on one of the spots and try sort of do deep fishing. See how we go with that one. Stay tuned, guys. More coming up.
So went back to the camp, and the boys wanted to go for joyride around the area to see and explore what's out there. So we went and did a bit of a 4x4 driving, and it's very challenging roads, and there's beautiful rivers around, and really good spots for fishing and camping, and I really enjoyed it. We have a guest. Checking out what's going on. Very curious. Is there anything for you guys? You decide to come up to say hello. So many ducks, they active this morning. There's 2 more anyway. You look, you can see the ducks. 2 more up there. What's up, buddy? You want some food, eh? That's not food, mate. Oh, that is bug. Day 2. Been fishing from the first light this morning. Nothing at all. But nature is beautiful. There's a lot of ducks around. We got a bit of a problem with the grass that's outgrown the river. We got like half of the river is the grass, so when we cast we get stuck every time almost. I've lost so many hooks and that's not funny. But anyway, it's a part of the game. So this is the little fishing spot that I'm fishing at. I'm gonna show you now. So this is the fishing spot. As you can see, the grass is all the way up half of the river, so it's not easy. The only way is to cast all on the other side, all the way on the other side. If you're lucky, you're gonna get there. If not, you just get on the grass, and then you have to pull it out. And it's a lot of hassle, but hopefully we get some fish. Stay tuned. I'm trying to get to the point on the left hand side to these rocks, and I can see the water is clear from there, so I can try my luck.
Doesn't look promising here. It's very steep. I'm gonna try on the other side. That's where we're camping at. As a fish throwing itself out there. Gotta go further down. This is too high. And this could not get any better. Beautiful. Still some grass at the bottom there, but it's much better than up there. We are camping, really good, in a very bad spot for fishing. You basically cannot cast without getting snagged. I'll try this one. Change the lure.
I'm just wearing what you're wearing, because
I know, but then it's 40 degrees. Like,
Is it?
it's pretty hot actually.
yeah, just like let it cool.
Not fun to fish.
Here we go, cooking show.
Cooking show. Show for the
Some
cooking.
cooking show. Oh yeah.
Oh, hit the head. You understand me? Introduction.
Znaš se sprej,
Šta je to?
olive oil. Moramo napraviti malo masno, znaš?
Give me the oil. Olive oil, yeah?
Ja.
Need to refill.
Give me that to refill. You spent heaps last night.
Huh?
Give me some.
There you go. You can remove these, but I don't remove them, you mean? So.
Yeah,
I
but
don't know else I heard something from you. I like them.
they
That
have
will be
couple
salt.
patches where you can hook in there and hold it on.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
add
or
Seen them
pepper.
there in ARB.
you can buy those.
I know by ARB. Whatever it's in ARB, it's gonna okay, close.
Because you can
Something.
maybe first we'll go to oh yeah, eggs. Eggs in the morning, beautiful. Salmon.
A little bit of garlic.
When you did that,
You think it's good?
And now you just wait for cooking.
In cold, around in this section, this one, 200 something grams.
held them up in home. You drill them home enough.
End of the day too, guys. Still nothing. It's about 5:30 in afternoon. I've been fishing on this spot this morning. There was nothing, but went up to the river and I could not find any better spot than this one here. All the spots up there, the river is so very not deep. It's like very shallow water, about 40-50 centimeters deep. This spot here, it's very deep water, so I'm hoping maybe if I stay a little bit longer, just before the dark, I might catch some fish actually. So let's hope I catch some fish so I can show it to you guys. But the way the river looks like, and it's getting windy now, I'm not sure. Just gonna show you the river and how muddy it is and dirty. It's never been dirty like this before. There you go, guys. It is all the way up there, even the river. This is a bit already. This is a part of the lake, but yeah, the river is the same, muddy. That's a good one. That's a trout. It's a very, very strong one. That was unexpected, guys. That was my first fish today. And the good thing is I've got it on camera so you all can see it. It's a trout. They nice fish. So hopefully there'll be more. Let's see now if we are lucky to get another one. Everybody's cooking apart from Yaruga. Yaruga's just walking around. He's like supervising everybody else, you know, and having a smoko, you know. Look at him, look at him. Just cruising around and checking the work. You see? Acting like a big chef. They're getting dinner. Stay tuned, guys. Day 3, guys. We are leaving today. It's early morning, about 6:30 in the morning. I've been fishing for hour and a half. There's a lot of trout, like going for flies or whatever, eating some insects on the surface of water, but nothing's biting on the bite. So see how we go. So far only one rainbow one. Better one than nothing. It's a really good experience. Nice nature here. So stay tuned. All good? I know, I'm not gonna go behind you. They love it. Good night. Too easy, mate. Yeah, some old car. Three, yeah?
Before you exit, yeah, it's a little bit tricky too. Just be careful.
This is actually enjoyable.
Is it? Is it?
Eh?
You like it so far with your own car?
Hey, it's all good, man.
There's a big drop there. From here, before this hill, we just stop on the side.
What's the sail? What's the sail?
You know, he's not coming up front. Or I can't pass next to him now, unless he goes reverse, or I don't know, it's can't pass here.
How are you gonna pass it, man? There's no space.
There is some space, even where I am now, I think. Or I'll go next up, and where I just stop now. It's a big track, man. There is like easy 2 cars can pass.
I'm gonna go up there and then I'm gonna go on the left side and you pass, alright?
Roger.
Well done, well done.
Oh, baby.
Yalla, yalla.
How's the finish going?
Ziggy, we going or what? Hey, keep driving.
Keep driving.
You need to get out off the hill. Keep going so he gets where you are. Okay. Ziggy, go.
So that was it, guys, for this weekend. We quickly packed up things this morning. It started to rain, so I just got up early. Did fish a little bit more for like 2 hours, from 5:30 till 7:30. So there was nothing there. I hoped that I might catch some fish, but now probably the change in weather, like rain, no rain, you know, it sort of affects the fish as well. But better luck next time. It was a good time with the boys. Hopefully I'm gonna have more time to do this, but we'll see. I will see how I go with my work. But apart from that, it was really good fishing. After a very long time, this was the first serious fishing trip that I took over 20 years for the trout, and I got one. Better than nothing. So yeah, next time it's gonna be better. Please subscribe, give us a like, a share. Thank you very much for watching, guys.